Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your Waze reports directly on your mobile phone. Whether you've submitted voice reports in the past and want to review them, or you're simply curious about your activity and contributions on Waze, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app loads and you're on the main map screen, look toward the top of the screen and tap on menu icon. Then, tap on your profile icon or profile name. This is where Waze stores all your personal activity and contribution details, so make sure to follow along carefully. Next, after opening your profile page, scroll straight down until you find the option called Achievements. Tap on it, and Waze will take you to a detailed section that shows your overall activity within the app. You'll see several options here that help you track how you've contributed to the Waze community, including your reports and driving stats. Follow the on-screen information as it appears. Everything is clearly laid out and very easy to understand, so there's nothing technical to worry about. In this section, you'll be able to view your report history, including alerts, hazards, and voice reports that you've previously submitted while driving. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version, ensure you're connected to the internet, and confirm that you're logged into the correct account. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent missing or incomplete report data. Once you're viewing your report history, you can scroll through and review your past activity at your own pace. After that, you should be able to easily keep track of everything you've reported on Waze without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to check this section occasionally to see how active you've been and how you're helping other drivers. Taking this extra step gives you a better understanding of your impact on the Waze community. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to view your Waze reports quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be wondering the same thing. Why not make someone's day easier?